Telemattica uses IoT to offboard data from in-service trains, meaning that we can detect changing conditions in the live environment and immediately report on any problems to rail operators, enabling them to intervene before any major incidents occur. The big challenge for rail operators is that they have so many different types of assets dispersed over such a big area. So you've got thousands and thousands of components distributed over kilometres of track, and it only takes one defective component, one loose bolt to really end in catastrophe for a rail network. So that's a big challenge for them. Our solution is able to monitor the vast area of network that they have through using in-service trains and using IoT to be able to offboard that data wherever the train is at that point in time. There's been lots of circumstances where our system has been able to detect an issue with overhead wiring infrastructure, which, if left unattended, would have caused a really catastrophic failure. And we do see that happen in other networks where our system isn't deployed, and the end result is chaos for the commuter network. It's a lot of downtime, it's people stuck on trains for long periods, and it's very disruptive to the general public.